In this video tutorial, we're going to talk about how to submit an Ames Engineering sales request form. First, navigate to the Ames Engineering website at amesengineering.com. Select Sales from the navigation bar, then select the sales request from the drop-down to open the sales request form. Fill out the form with your name, company, and the state and country the request is coming from. Please provide your phone number and an email address where a representative can contact you. Next, please select how you hear about us. This allows us to accurately see how new customers are learning about us. Next, select which product or products you are interested in. Finally, give us a short description of what you're looking for, any specifications, and anything you'd like to bring up. Then, click Submit. That's it. A representative will contact you shortly to talk to you about your inquiry. If you have any questions or need help with the process, please contact us at info@amesengineering.com or at 515-292-8194.